What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning Java. My name is QDS Dani and you guys watching my channel Cryowood. Alright, so in the previous video we have done if and else, and if you look in here it says else if, because we have too many else and ifs. But if you look in here for the final ones, we do, for example, here telling the user that you put the wrong number because we started with if. But there is another way, even shorter way for you guys to create your code. Even this one is a bit long and very confusing. There is another way we can use this one with the switch statement. Exactly the same one. I have to save the time, I have created a class switch statement. You guys go ahead and click here. Once you guys click here, go on the new where it says Java class, you can create your class. But in my case, because I have already created. Alright, so as I said, this is exactly similar to Java here. If you guys take it here where it says here, if you type here all the way here, we're gonna copy, because the switch statement is exactly like a if and else in Java. To save time, instead of retyping all over again, we can copy this one. We can copy all from only our statement here, and in a public static void main, that's our main method is. So instead of here, so now we have if or else. Our if else statements and our switch statement have exactly the same ones. So once all done, you guys close this one, the previous one, and we're gonna work with this one, with this guy, with the switch statement. Okay, the switch statement, how the switch statement works. If you guys know, in the previous video we have started with the if, and we have ended with the else. The switch statement starts with the switch and ends with the default. So instead of now looking here, and make sure you guys, we need a variable from the user. So whatever the user is going to put it, we need it for say if else, or we need it for a switch, because we need a variable. So if you look in here, the first bit, we're going to get rid of the first bit. We're going to come on the second one, we're going to get rid of the second one. The third one, we're going to get rid of the third one. And this guy here, the fourth one, we're going to get rid of the fourth one, and this guy here and this guy here, we clear all. So what we're going to have now, if you look in here, that's our statement. That's from here all the way here. So that's what all we have now, and the rest, because we need it in the switch statement. Well, now we don't have, if you notice, we don't have any ifs here. Now we're going to work with our switch, and we're going to compare. So switch, and we're going to compare with the if. As I said, the switch is going to come here. So if you look in here, we have a score. All we're getting the user to put it for example from 1 to for example from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5. Then if you look in here, we're going to have a 5 levels. Say we have a 5 level. Is level 1 is 1 to 20, and your level 2 is this much, level 3 is this much, level 4 and level 5. So now we're gonna put for example the switch, and we're gonna say switch. It's just like a light bulb switch, and we put a score, and we put a score. Now we're gonna work with the score, but the default ones, as I said, then you guys have a default just like else. So now we have a switch and we have a score, and now we're gonna do case 1. We put a system dot out dot, we put a print ln, we put a your level is 1, your score is between 0 from between 1 and 20. And then we're gonna put a break here. It means we're gonna get out of the loop, and we're gonna do exactly the same copy, and we're gonna put a case 2. So we're gonna put a case 2, and your level is 2, and your score is between 20 to 40. Okay, so and then we do break, we copy, we make sure you guys do the save, and we're gonna copy this one. We're gonna do level 3, and we're gonna do level 3. Your level is 3. Your score is between 40 to 60. Say 40 to 60. And then we do break, and then the level 4, and then case 4. Your level is level 4. Your score is between 60 to 80. Okay, so now here we put a level, we put a break, and then we put a level 5, which is the professional level. And now we're going to put a, for example, 5. Your score is between 80 to 100. All right, so now we're going to break. And now what happens when the user put a wrong one? Because in our previous ones, in this guy here, we put it here that you entered the wrong one. So what we're going to do here with this one, we're going to put a default. So we put a default, and we put a system out dot println, and it says you entered wrong number, please try again. Or you can put a try again, just put a 3 exclamation mark. Alright, so now the user is gonna put we enter your score 1 to 5. Say enter your level, for example, enter your level from 1 to 5. Now we're gonna tell the user we're gonna rank from level 1, then we're gonna do level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5, and that's the score. So your say your score is level 1 is your level is 1, which is beginner, for example 1. We put a beginner, and then level 2, level 3, and then we're going to check on top. Level 3 is intermediate, so level 3 intermediate, and then we're going to go here on level 4. Level 5 is professional, level 4 is top, and this guy is here as professionals. Okay, so now we're going to run our program, and you're going to look here. Very easy, very easy. We from top to bottom we've done it in less time, and it's easy to understand because it has case by case basis, and every time we go here we can break it to say to go to the next one. So if, for example, if you run, so we are doing if, that's if we don't want to, if we want the switch, we want this guy here, we want to run this. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna run, and we're gonna go switch statement. Okay, so enter level from 1 to 5. Say for example, if I put level 3, your level is 3, your score is 40 to 60. For example, if I run again, if I put a level 1, and your level 1 is a beginner, for example, how about if I put a, for example, level 9, for example, or if I put a 9, you entered the wrong number, please try again. So you've got a typo here, so I'll go here, you entered wrong number, I've got a typo, and if I run again, and you entered wrong number, so if I run again, level 5, your level is 5, professional, your score is between 80 to 100. So now I leave it up to you to decide which one is for example is you guys like it. You guys like if our if you look in here, else if we have ranking here and we are telling at which level is the user from the score. According to score, our you're looking for switch, and you're looking here which level is the user from switch, and I think this is, if you're looking here, this is very long, and it's very long and huge, while this one's more concise, this more compact. If you're looking here more in what, just you guys can see straight away. So if you put the default here, you can see here very easy to understand. Well guys, this is for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.